door 2. Only got one door. Oh, window. Okay, got it. Okay. And these are all the same size. Okay, so this one goes on the door. I don't quite know how because it's too freaking big. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. This is door, the second door side, second window. So this one goes here. Alright, now we're cooking door 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this says kitchen 1. So it's the kitchen wall, window number 1. So that one goes there. Now I'm in the process of putting up the valances and the curtain tracks. And I'll show you. Whoa. Okay, so I got the track for the curtain up on this one. And then I'm getting ready to put up the contrasting color one. And it's going to go right there. And then I'll put that one up there next. Okay, so what I did was I went in the house and I got one of my quilting needles because I can't see where the holes were for the screws to hook it up on the wall. So I used my quilting needle and I poked and poked and poked until I found the hole, and then I screwed in the screw until I got it to where I ta-da! Ta-da! First one up. Can't wait to get the rest done. It's a lot easier taking them down, I'll tell you. Well, I forgot to turn the camera back on, but I wanted to show you what I've gotten done. I'm going to turn the light on. So I got the balances up. This is in the bedroom area. And I started putting up the curtains. I really like this material and the way they came out. I'm not so fond of this material, but I'll live with it for a year or so and see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to finish doing the rest of them and I'll get the other side done. Coming together, slow but sure. So that's that. The reason I didn't do this window is because it threw me for a loop. There was a box over it, and but I can't figure out how to get the box back up there. And without the box, I can't put the valance thing, the color, these parts back on. So I'm going to wait till another day because I'm pretty tired right now. So, yeah. They're all up except the ones that are going to get wallpaper. And I can't find that valance. I don't know what happened to that one. But maybe it's in the house somewhere. I'll have to go back and look. Anywho. Okay, well, I am going to clean up my mess. Try and get off of this thing. I think I'm stuck. And grab some dinner. Anyway, I will get this uploaded and posted tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. And when I do when I get the wallpaper done and the other curtains up, I'll bring you back for that process. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, click share, and that little bell icon. It does something with the algorithms that helps other people find my videos. And when you click that bell, that gives you a notification of when I post another video. So if you would do those things for me, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, I'll be back with the wallpaper and the other curtains probably tomorrow, because I did get my wallpaper. Let me show you. This is the new wallpaper that is pasted, has paste on it. Looks just like the other. I don't know if you can see it. But it's supposed to look like beadboard. So yeah, that'll probably be tomorrow that I'll do that and get it uploaded. I don't know if you can see back there or not. Yeah. Not bad, not bad.